ADP Workforce Now is a cloud-based human capital management platform designed to streamline HR, payroll, talent, and time management processes. Here's how to effectively use ADP Workforce Now. Employee management. Onboard new employees, maintain employee records, and manage personnel changes such as promotions or terminations. Payroll processing. Process payroll with automated calculations for wages, taxes, and deductions. ADP Workforce Now ensures compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations. Time and attendance. Track employee attendance and manage time off requests. Employees can clock in or out using the mobile app or web-based time clock. Benefits administration. Manage employee benefits enrollment, eligibility, and plan details. Employees can view and update their benefits elections. Talent management. Recruit, onboard, and develop talent with tools for performance management, goal setting, and training. HR analytics and reporting. Access customizable reports and analytics to monitor key HR metrics. Track workforce trends and support data-driven decision-making. Employee self-service. Empower employees with self-service capabilities to view pay statements, update personal information, and manage benefits elections. Compliance and security. Ensure data security and compliance with industry standards through secure access controls and data encryption.